Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome back to Puppy Town. That sounds so silly saying that. Welcome back to Puppy Town. One of the biggest scams probably ever that I've ever seen on the marketplace, guys. Literally, I cannot understand how you guys still want me to review or cover this app. Let me just say this straight off the bat, alright? Just to be clear here. Puppy Town is an app that I thoroughly believe is scamming you guys, the players, okay? Now, there is, like, so much evidence. You go to the Play Store, dude, you will not understand how many people are one-starring this app. Like, so many people are saying they've been ripped off, they never get the real-life rewards. You have to think, like, let's just think about this from a logical point of view here. You have an app that's promising you, right? That's promising you real-life PayPal money and real-life objects. So, smartphones, you know, TVs. You gotta, and of course there's ads every 2 seconds on the app, alright? That's another dead giveaway. As soon as you have an app that's spitting ads at you, you can tell the developers are chasing that ad revenue money, bro. Now, my job of this channel here, this is why I made this channel, guys, is to make sure I can expose apps like this, okay? So, to be clear, I think Puppy Town is a scam. I'm covering this video again on my channel right now to let you all know that people are still playing it, and I'm still getting comments all the time asking, is it legit or is it fake? I cannot stress this enough. I believe Puppy Town is a complete scam. It is one big fix, and it's a joke, and it needs to be banned, okay? Now, on better news though, okay? Let's just talk about some better news here. I've actually created a Discord channel, everyone. That is right, I've made my own Scam Patrol Discord channel. So now, you guys don't have to rely on YouTube to notify you of my videos. We can all talk together, we can all report apps together, we can all find apps that are scams, and then I can cover them. So, there's all custom ranks, there's all custom everything on that channel, guys, or on the Discord. So, yeah, check out the description below, click the link, join the Discord, and be a valued member of the community I'm trying to build here against these scam apps, dude. I think it's about time I take it to the next level. I've had enough. I've absolutely had enough of these apps, bro. And I've had enough of people commenting saying that this app is legit. This app's not legit. I don't know what planet they're on. And they haven't, the problem is, people say that this app's legit, right? But they haven't actually even tried to cash out. Do you know why people are saying it's legit? Because they're seeing the real life cash meter here. They're seeing this go up, guys. See this? The My Cash section. They're seeing that go up, right? And they're like, oh, you know, but I can see the cash going up. Surely that's legit. Like, the fact that the app counts the money, that means it's working towards a goal. Well, the thing is, they don't realize that the app's actually built against you. So, you can easily make an app that gives you rewards all the way up until a certain point. Think about slot machines, everyone. Why do you think slot machines always generate money for the people that own the machines, aka casinos, pubs, restaurants, whatever? Because they're programmed to trick you into thinking that you're making a winning and that you're going to make profit, and you never will. This is the big thing. This is the big scam that these apps are living off of. These apps are literally preying on you guys out there. Like, they're preying on you, bro. Like, you don't understand. It makes me sick to my stomach, especially coming from someone that did love to gamble and lose a lot of money. Like, I'm not gonna lie, everyone, I used to gamble heavily. I'm only 25 years old. I might not look 25, but I am only 25 years old. I used to gamble heavily, dude. Because the problem is, right, these apps and these programs and whatever else, whatever you see in real life that has to do with gambling, they're all programmed to take your money. And in this case, it's not, Puppy Town is not taking your money, it's taking your time. So I just thought I have to make this video, dude. I don't want to keep having to make Puppy Town videos, but I keep getting comments telling me they think it's real, or why is it not real? Guys, look at this. Do you really think you're going to win a MacBook Pro 13-inch from Puppy Town? And even if the developers are like, yeah, someone did win, we sent it out to them and they got it, and then they send me a photo, right? I still won't believe it. How many people have actually downloaded Puppy Town? Let me have a look. Puppy Town. Let me just have a look here how many people have actually downloaded Puppy Town, guys. So, Puppy Town, I can't see how many people have downloaded it anymore. Okay, then. But all I know is there's over 488,000 ratings now. So, definitely a million people easily have downloaded Puppy Town. Do you really think the app developers are going to have enough money to actually pay all these people out? Do you know what I mean? Like, it's just scary to me. It scares me, bro. Like, literally, how many people have been scammed by Puppy Town, and the fact that how much money these developers have probably made off your suffering of wasting time. Like, you don't get it, everyone. Time is the most precious currency you can ever get. I'm gonna get like all philosophical now and all that. Time is the most precious currency you're gonna have, alright? And you don't want to waste it. There is no amount of money that can equal your time. You only get one shot at life. You don't want to spend it grinding and wasting your life on Puppy Town, okay? I mean, I don't know how much I can stress this right now, bro. But that's why I've created my Discord channel as well. Hopefully, we can try and, I guess, expose Puppy Town to the best of our abilities. I don't think we're ever going to actually take it down, though. I think it's too much of a money-making machine. And, yeah, I just don't think it's going to work the way we want it, everyone. So, the problem is that they lock you down with so many ads as well. It's ridiculous. You're literally going to be grinding forever, dude. I've been playing for like a couple of weeks now, and I'm only up to $28. And that's with like casual play. I've only played for my video's sake, everyone. So you got to remember that. I'm not even playing this app outside of these videos, bro. I hate this app. I think this app's garbage. And I think it needs to be deleted. That's my personal opinion. But that's what my channel's all about. I'm not going to lie to you, dude. I'm not going to lie. I've been getting into the stock market recently, trying to make a living off that. And that hasn't been going too well either. So I'm trying my best to try and make a living for you guys out here. Or I can show you guys how I make my living online. Essentially, my goal is to make a living online. Then I can show you all in videos how I'm doing it. But that's not working either. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to say, yeah, it's going great. It's not going great. This is real life, baby. Real life never goes great. It never goes how you want it to be. But as you can see, we watched about 4 ads already in the span of 6 minutes. Easily. Easily 4 ads. I've declined like 4 other ads, by the way. Like, it's pathetic. And you guys see ads on my videos, that's because I'm trying to make a living out of making content for you guys, the viewers. It's very different to a scam app that promises real life money. I'm not promising real life money, bro. I'm promising to expose these apps. And I'm telling you, Puppy Town needs to be destroyed one way or another. I just don't think Google's ever going to do it, because I reckon that I would love to see how much money Google is making off Puppy Town. That is something that I think would be an incredible amount, and it'll probably blow your mind, bro. It annoys me how it promises real life money and like PayPal rewards, iPhone. Let's see what it actually offers now. So you got a HP laptop that's easily worth about 2 or 3 grand, surely. Elite Book 840. Let's see how much it's going for. HP Elite Book 840. $2,265 right now on the... What's this? You know how you type in Google and it comes up with those dumb ads? So $2,200 right there, guys, on an HP Elite Book. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. God knows how much that costs. Probably well over $1,000. Sony 55-inch TV. Fitbit Sense. Starts getting cheaper and cheaper though as time goes down there. But yeah, I don't know. Bro, I don't know. Someone needs to do something about this. They really do. I mean, all I can do is expose it and hope to stop players from coming in. That's the only thing I can hope for, guys. I mean, at this point, what else can I possibly do? You let me know. If you guys have any other idea except for me making videos on exposing it, let me know and I'll try and do it, bro. Because I'm sick of these apps taking advantage of you guys. It pisses me off, man. You have no idea. It infuriates me. Anyway, besides the point, I'm done with my little 8-minute video here, guys. I'm full disclosure, I'm only playing these apps up until the 8-minute mark. There is no way I'm playing them more. They're scams, dude. Like, you can half tell they're scams. I get more ads on my videos if I post to 8 minutes now. Why would I not do it, guys? I'm trying to make a living off YouTube. Do you know what I mean? Full disclosure, I'm sure you guys don't care anyway. Because at the end of the day, I'm saving you so much time in real life, not playing this trash. So yeah, either way, guys, please stay safe. I hope you guys have been reading the reviews that I put on the screen about Puppy Town. They're not fake, they're 100% real from real people saying the app is a scam. Please join my Discord, be a part of the Scam Patrol group, or patrol. Be a part of the Scam Patrol. Yeah, help me grow, guys, and we'll all grow together here. Thank you so much. You guys have been amazing. It's been a fantastic month and a half. Growing heaps, and it's all thanks to you guys out there. So yeah, cheers. I'll catch you all next video. See you later.